We are joined by TDP spokesperson, Professor Jyotsna, madam. What is the update, madam? Today is an important day for the TDP, for the NDA alliance. What does the TDP have, in the basket here?
See, definitely an important day, and I think I should congratulate the entire country for this, because we are having Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji again as the Prime Minister of India. Swearing in ceremonies today, and yes, with the TDP, we being the partner of India, we are very happy about this. And also, yes, I think we are not going to put it as TDP is extrinsic or TDP is completely overboard, but not, yeah, as a partner of India, we are getting our due, ministerial berths or whatnot.
What are the berths? How many have been confirmed now?
As of now, I think we have one cabinet and one MOS confirmed. I think we would be having the youngest minister for the country, Mr. Ram Mohan Naidu, he being the third term MP now, and also a very, very energetic and very loyal person to the party, and also a committed individual who works for the youth and women of the country.
There have been meetings held with the NDA, NDA partners. What has been confirmed so far? Lok Sabha Speaker was on the cards for the TDP, other ministerial posts as well, cabinet ministers also. So what confirmation have you all got as of now?
As I was telling earlier also, there are a lot of discussions going on. So probably this is what is confirmed as of now. I can give a confirmation on this to you about Ram Mohan Naidu ji and also Dr. Premasani Chandrasekhar ji. But probably the others, I'll have to wait a little bit to give you further confirmation. Yes, we would be waiting to have much more. But
what would be a wish and expectation, we can say?
See, if you ask me, our wish, definitely we'll be looking forward for a very, very good, support from the center for the state of Andhra Pradesh. That is our crucial, aspiration. Whether we get the ministerial berths or whether we get the speaker or not is not probably our prime focus now. Our prime focus is how are we going to take the state on the developmental path. How are we going to, I think put it back on the financial track again, which has missed. So I think that's far more important for us rather than any other position.
Okay,
but as NDA partners, we would get anyways our due positions and due things. But yes, apart from all this, we are looking forward for a real developmental, path for the state of Andhra Pradesh.
Thank you so much for speaking with us. So this was TDP spokesperson, Professor Jyotsna, camera person Mahmood, Abdul Bashir, Hyderabad.